अयोध्या, अब ये हमारे श्री राम।
Reflects their talent and creativity. And let's not forget the incredible supports of our faculty, parents and the entire school staff without whom this event should have not been possible.
Proceed. Let's take a moment to appreciate the unity and diversity that our school represents. We're a family bound by a common purpose, the pursuit of knowledge, excellence and personal growth.
As we embark on this journey together tonight, let us cherish the memories we create and let's celebrate the uniqueness that each one of us brings to this incredible community.
So, dear friends, let the annual function officially commence.
To maintain a respectful and welcoming environment for all attendees, we humbly ask you to turn off all electronic devices during the performances. May I now request all the dignitaries to come upon the dais and proceed lighting of lamp and offer prayers to Ma Saraswati. Let's all pray to the goddess of wisdom for her blessing by kindling this lamp.
कैमरा आ रहा
You to our gracious dignitary, the sculptor of human character, season inspired by your gracious presence.
I request our principal ma'am and academic dean to welcome our guests with a token of gratitude. Thank you ma'am, thank you sir.
हाँ जी हाँ जी
ऐसे कर।
हाँ जी ये बात
थैंक यू।
वेलकम जी वेलकम ओके
थैंक यू।
वेलकम
आई थिंक
लुक हियर मैम लुक एक
अच्छा
मिनट थैंक यू
गणदेवताय गणदक्षाय धीमहि गुणादित्याय गुणाधीशाय गुणपर्वताय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचंद्राय श्री गणेशाय धीमहि. As per Hindu mythology and traditions, Lord Ganesha is always worshipped as the deity of wisdom. Join us as we pray our Ganpati Bappa to bestow his glory upon all of us.
विनायका तू मल्लोड़े कर मोरया विघ्नेश्वर सिद्धिविनायक गणाधीशाय मोरया वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धिविनायक वक्रतुंड तू गजमुखा तू सिद्धिविनायक गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय गजानन 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 गणराय
Progress is everything. We are the pride of India. Determination pays. There is no other way. We don't stop until we rise. We are Narayana. Reach for Narayana. March on Narayana. We are Narayana. Reach for Narayana. March on Narayana. We work hard every day, nothing gets in our way. We are the leaders of tomorrow's world. We'll climb the highest peaks, progress is what we seek, and we will always reach our final goals. We are Narayana, reach for Narayana, march on Narayana. We are Narayana, reach for Narayana, march on Narayana. We are Narayana.
Today we are honored to have with us a guiding light, a source of inspiration and a leader par excellence, our esteemed principal, Miss Yogita Kapil. Her unwavering dedication to our institution, coupled with her visionary leadership, has propelled us towards academic excellence and holistic development.
In recognition of her outstanding contribution, it's my privilege to invite her to the stage to share insights and words of wisdom. Let us warmly welcome our principal ma'am to the stage with a round of applause as we eagerly await the pearls of wisdom she is about to bestow upon us.
Esteemed guests, today we had to start the second show by 5:30, but we started half an hour late. So I'll not take your time, that's why I'm stating. I'm really thankful for your kind presence and the support that you're giving continuously to us. The theme Ramayana reminds us of all the good things that we need to learn from life and all the bad things that we should remove from our lives. These little children, they've worked day and night in the winter, the kind of winter we see now. In the winter they've worked and they've planned this entirely in the school. The show has been created by our own teachers. Ramayana, as we know, dear parents, Ramayana is, we all know Ramayana. But what story to pick? We all know many stories about Ramayana. So it was a very difficult choice. This story we should pick up, that story we should pick up, and how to weave all the stories together. The entire work has been done by our own staff. We did not hire anyone from outside. So with a lot of pride, I want to say that this is a complete home production. When it comes to writing of script, planning of songs, choreography, theatre, creation of theatre, and creation of entire theatrical ballet that awaits you. I wish to convey that this is a complete home production. The sounds that you're going to hear, the voices, the voiceovers that you're going to hear are also by our own children only. They went to the studio to record. So dear parents, I'll not come between you and your words, performance. And thank you so much for giving us this opportunity. Thank you, parents.
Dear ma'am, thank you for the encouragement and your kind words. We just witnessed something truly special. Now let's all join in and clap. Get ready for a moment in the spotlight. How swiftly and unnoticed time flies. One more year has been added to the glorious saga of our school. We are thrilled to invite our classmates to the stage with us for our annual report reading session.
And staff, we take this opportunity to convey our heartfelt greetings to you all and welcome you to the annual day celebration of Narayana E-Techno School, Ghaziabad. Founded on the principle of innovation, excellence, and a commitment to positive change, the Narayana Group emerges as a dynamic force in the academic sector. With a rich history that underscores its dedication to achieving unparalleled standards, the Narayana Group has become synonymous with great strides in international and international competitive examination and clinging success with top-notch results. Since its establishment, the Narayana Group has navigated the ever-evolving landscape of academics with focus on creating exceptional and enriching student experiences.
Our founder, Dr. Ponguru Narayana, is regarded as one of the pioneering forces in teaching and learning in contemporary India. Dr. Narayana's commitment to establishing a dynamic and systematic learning environment has provided the impetus for this shift in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and beyond. Since 1979, Dr. Narayana has worked towards a seamless integration of learning made accessible and knowledge made attainable. His ideology and vision are to ensure that every student is provided with the foundation, the capabilities and means to achieve rigor, skills and ultimately success. The Narayana Group of Education Institution is an embodiment of this noble vision.
The Narayana Educational Group boasts a 45-year legacy of unparalleled academic achievement, establishing itself as a leading educational conglomerate in Asia. Our extensive team of more than 50,000 teachers and staff. This enables us to offer a world-class education to over 6 lakh students annually, from kindergarten to postgraduate studies and beyond. Furthermore, we offer comprehensive academic programs as well as resources and support to help students achieve their aspirations in civil service, catering to the diverse vocational goals of career-oriented students.
Our branch, in particular, the Narayana E-Techno School Ghaziabad, established in 2018, offers a 360-degree learning environment to its students and is rated as one of the best schools in Ghaziabad. The school follows an integrated CBSE syllabus and is a live, energetic school thriving with various activities. The school keeps looking for innovative methods to keep the students interested in subjects and learning new things. The entire activity calendar is designed carefully, taking into account various talents and interests which need to be boosted, and every child finds a niche to excel in. The school has always believed in involving parents in many of the activities to give a wholesome feel to the child.
A lady of distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, we take immense pleasure in introducing Miss Yogita Kapil, Principal at Narayana E-Techno School, Ghaziabad. She has assiduously showcased instructional leadership and built paradigms in the field of community outreach. She introduced many innovative methods of teaching like flipped classrooms, collaborative learning with ICT, inquiry-based learning, mind mapping, STEM, coding, etc. in order to make the curriculum transaction more interesting. Ma'am, under your stewardship, we are sure all the staff members are experiencing extreme growth and learning. Likewise, for our students, your presence in the institution has been the reflection of the quality augmentation and education that we deliver at Narayana.
We are immensely thankful to Ms. Neha Singh, Vice Principal of eKids, Ms. Reva, Vice Principal of eCharms, Mr. Manish Khan, Academic Dean of eTechno, Ms. Priyanka Vishnoi, Vice Principal of Senior Secondary. Dear Wingheads, for your efforts, your ideas and the elegance that you bring to the institution, we need to mention our deepest sense of appreciation. We would like to take this opportunity to remind everyone of the importance of our teachers. They are the backbone of our education system and play a vital role in shaping the future of our children. They are truly not just educators but also mentors, guides and role models.
Now we would like to touch base with some improvements in infrastructure and facilities brought about in the past year. We established a state-of-art science lab to meet the requirement of all students. Wi-Fi connectivity has been provided to entire school. A thorough risk analysis is administered at regular interval. Since inception, various protective measures has been taken up to ensure an enhanced security and safety for all our learners. The installation of CCTV cameras in all corridors, classrooms and common areas has allowed strict monitoring and vigilance in and around the campus. The school has also issued parent ID cards, visitor gate pass and student gate pass to restrict the entry and access to the premises. It is our honest appeal to the parents to view the measure positively and follow the security protocol in totality.
Speaking of co-curricular aspects, the school clubs create small communities of like-minded individuals who share similar interest in an array of activities such as music, arts or sport. It helps students to work on skills such as collaboration and teamwork. This year, the school has introduced 7 clubs. The sport club focuses on strengthening student physical and mental strength. The STEM club embraces enhancing student scientific knowledge with the help of experiments. Our Eco Club raises eco-green and social warriors to promote an environment-friendly attitude amongst one and all. In the Community Service Club, students believe service to mankind is service to God and find opportunities to serve the individual. Explorer Club embraces strengthening student conceptualization in the social sciences and journal knowledge. Sanskruti Club strengthens the latent potential of the student to dance, sing, perform theatre arts and play instrument. The Young Entrepreneur Club aims to encourage the entrepreneurial skills of the students and showcase their business skills for their future. Participation in this club activities will go along in broadening the horizons of a student, helping them further to choose a career.
The academic session of 2023-2024 was surely a year filled with fun, frolic and valuable learning. Numerous events were organized throughout the year that has made an everlasting impression on our young learners and given them a memorable school journey. The rhythmic beats of dole, vibrant colors of traditional attire and the spirit of unity filled the air as our school recently hosted a mesmerizing Garba evening. The event aimed not only to celebrate the cultural diversity within the school, but also to foster a sense of camaraderie among students, teachers and parents.
In a grand display of leadership and responsibility, school hosted its annual investors ceremony, a momentous event that marked the formal investure of the school student leaders. The ceremony was not only a platform to confer authority, but also a celebration of the school's commitment to nurturing responsible and capable individuals.
In a celebration of holistic well-being and mindful living, school hosted an invigorating event known as Harmonious Rhythmic Yoga Day. This unique event brought together students, teachers and parents to explore the profound benefits of yoga, seamlessly blending the tranquility of yoga practices with the rhythm of movement.
We believe in positive fostering a healthy and active lifestyle for individuals of all ages. A diverse range of sports activities caters to various interests and skill levels, from team sports like soccer, basketball and volleyball to individual pursuits such as tennis and athletics. We provide ample opportunities for everyone to participate and excel.
Usually mothers and grandmothers narrate stories, but in 21st century, a pre-primary child can do the same. The school organized Kahaniyon Ka Karma, the world of stories. The little ones of the e-kids department were confident narrator of the day.
A school trip was organized for the student of classes 1 to 12 to Lohagarh Farms, Gurgaon. With so much of memories, worthy pictures and hearts filled with joy, our children returned to the campus by evening.
I am excited to share with you a brief overview of the recent Model United Nations MUN activity that took place at our school. The event was a resounding success, bringing together our talented and enthusiastic students to engage in diplomatic discussions, debate pressing global issues, and showcase their leadership skills.
We organized a religious visit to ISKCON temple located in Rajnagar, Ghaziabad. The students chanted the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, practiced meditation and enjoyed the rituals of the temple.
The Tiny Tots of Narayana Techno School went for a fun-filled picnic at Mohan Nagar Temple. Their joy knew no bounds. They jumped, they ran, they screamed, and came back with a bigger smile. The takeaway lamps were an added surprise to the memorable day.
Children of nursery PP1 and PP2 participated in a fancy dress competition. The creativity of the parents who dressed children with boundless imagination is highly appreciable. They were dressed as freedom fighters, cartoon characters, superheroes, fruits, nature themes, etc.
Science is that process which takes us from confusion to conclusion. Our student pioneered Blue Moon Colony, another heaven to live in space, designed and created by class 7 students, budding scientists of our school. It was the only project selected by NASA from state Uttar Pradesh. To rival the same, our students spent hour and hour preparing their valuable NASA project. They were acknowledged by Honorable Principal Ma'am and Dean Sir.
We at Ghaziabad conducted a special career counseling and parents orientation session for the parents of class 10 students. The guest speaker, Mr. Habib, who is renowned educationalist and co-dean at Narayana Group of Institution, addressed the parents and inspired them to support their children in every possible way.
The Winter Carnival was held on 30th December 2023 and was attended by a large number of students, parents, and the members of the local community. The event featured a wide range of activities, including a multi-cuisine food court, DJ and dance, fun games, pottery, magic show, talent hunt, couple dance, face painting, tattoo, and hair braiding, and more.
We would like to conclude by extending our sincere thanks to one and all present. We hope you enjoyed the culture program presented by our students and that your evening with us is pleasurable. Thank you.
I want to hear the roof shake with your applause for our report videos. On the count of 3, let's all clap together. 1.
Dr. Niranjan Hireha, Senior Consultant.
Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your presence and adding to the grandeur of this occasion. All of you, please clap.
Thank you.
श्री राम ने राजा रावण का वध किया और धर्म की पुनः स्थापना की.
Dear parents, students have put together several lovely sequences of dance and drama to come up with a theatrical ballad on the theme of Ramayana, written by a legendary poet Valmiki in the 5th century BC, about the exile and the return of Rama, Prince of Ayodhya.
Exactly, even I was just thinking that you are capitalizing on this shows
के लिए मनुष्य जाति उससे शिक्षा ग्रहण कर सके. हे महर्षि, ऐसे ही एक अनुपम इतिहास की रचना के लिए ब्रह्मा जी ने आपका चयन किया है।
ऋषिवर, इस समय मेरे मन में एक ही नाम उजागर हो रहा है, मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम श्री राम। कौशल नामक राज्य था, जिसकी राजधानी अयोध्या नगरी थी तथा उसके राजा महाराज दशरथ थे। उनकी 3 रानियां थी, रानी कौशल्या, कैकई तथा सबसे छोटी रानी सुमित्रा थी। परंतु बहुत समय से उनकी कोई संतान नहीं थी। ऋषि वशिष्ठ ने पुत्र प्राप्ति के लिए कामेष्टि यज्ञ करवाया, जिससे उनके 4 पुत्र हुए। रानी कौशल्या से राम, कैकई से भरत, सुमित्रा से लक्ष्मण और शत्रुघ्न। चारों पुत्रों की शिक्षा दीक्षा होने के पश्चात उनका विवाह कर दिया गया। राम का विवाह राजा जनक की सबसे बड़ी पुत्री सीता से, लक्ष्मण का उर्मिला से, भरत का विवाह मांडवी से और शत्रुघ्न का विवाह श्रुतकीर्ति से हुआ। समय भी आया जब राम को अयोध्या का उत्तराधिकारी बनाने के लिए उनका राज तिलक करने की तैयारी शुरू हो गई। सुनकर मंत्रा रानी कैकेयी के कक्ष में गई।
रानी कैकेयी, कहाँ है आप? रानी कैकेयी, आप जानती हैं कि महाराज राम को अपने राज्य का उत्तराधिकारी बनाना चाहते हैं।
यह तो शुभ समाचार है मंत्रा।
रानी कैकेयी, ये आप क्या कह रही हैं? आप नहीं चाहती कि आपके पुत्र भरत को अयोध्या का राजा बनाया जाए?
रानी कैकेयी अपने पुत्र भरत को अयोध्या का राजा बनाने के लिए मंत्रा द्वारा रचाए गए षड्यंत्र का पालन करते हुए कोप भवन में चली जाती हैं।
क्या हाल बना रखा है आप और इस कोप भवन में? ऐसा क्या जो आपको इस कोप भवन में आने की आवश्यकता पड़ी?
महाराज, क्या आपको स्मरण है कि युद्ध के दौरान मैंने आपके प्राणों की रक्षा की थी और इसी के अन्यथा स्वरूप आपने मुझे वचन दिया था। आज मैं उसी वचन के बदले आपसे भरत को अयोध्या का राजा और राम को 14 वर्ष का वनवास मांगती हूँ।
रानी कैकेयी, ऐसा कदापि नहीं हो सकता। राम के लिए वनवास और भरत को अयोध्या का राजा, कदापि नहीं।
आज्ञाकारी पुत्र होने के नाते राम अपनी माता कौशल्या, पिता दशरथ और सौतेली माँ से आज्ञा लेने आते हैं।
प्रणाम माते, आप मुझे आशीर्वाद दें कि मैं पिता के द्वारा दिए गए वचन का पालन कर सकूं।
पुत्र, तुम्हारे बिना मेरा मन व्याकुल ही रहेगा।
मैं सदा आपके हृदय के समीप ही रहूंगा, अतः इसी के फल स्वरूप मैं आपसे आज्ञा चाहता हूँ माते।
परंतु राम, क्या यह बात तुम्हारी भार्या सीता को पता है?
हे नाथ, यह मैं क्या सुन रही हूँ?
सीते, मैं अपने पिता द्वारा दिए गए वचन का पालन करने हेतु 14 वर्ष की वनवास के लिए जा रहा हूँ।
परंतु स्वामी, आपकी अर्धांगिनी होने के नाते मैं भी आपके साथ चलूंगी।
भ्राताश्री, क्या यह सत्य है? आप 14 वर्ष के लिए वनवास जा रहे हैं?
हाँ लक्ष्मण, पिताश्री के वचन का पालन करना मेरा धर्म है।
भ्राताश्री, आप वन में अकेले नहीं जाएंगे, मैं भी आपके साथ चलूंगा। पुत्र राम, पुत्र लक्ष्मण, पुत्र राम, पुत्र
14 वर्ष के वनवास के लिए वन की ओर प्रस्थान कर गए।
योगी पुरुष, कौन हो तुम? इतना मनमोहक चेहरा।
मैं दशरथ पुत्र राम, मेरा भ्राता लक्ष्मण और ये मेरी भार्या सीता।
मैं तुम्हारे इस मनमोहक रूप पर मोहित हो गई हूँ, अतः मैं तुमसे विवाह करना चाहती हूँ।
परंतु मैं तो विवाहित हूँ।
हे मानव, क्या तुम मुझे इस स्त्री के लिए ठुकरा रहे हो? ये तुमने अच्छा नहीं किया।
मैं इसे छोड़ूंगी नहीं।
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्य लम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकां चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव 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 जटाकटाह सम्भ्रम भ्रम निलिम्ब निर्झरी विलोल वीचि वल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि ज्वलल्ललाट पावके किशोर चन्द्रशेखरे रचि प्रशिक्षणम् धराधरेन्द्र नन्दिनी विलास बन्धु बन्धुरस्फुरद्दिगन्त सन्तति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदि क्वचित् दिगम्बरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत् प्रणामणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुङ्कुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदान्त सिन्धुरस्फुरत्व उत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरि
तुम्हारी नाक पर यह घाव कैसा?
महाराज, ये घाव नहीं, इस पर शस्त्र से प्रहार किया गया है। महाराज।
क्या? शस्त्र से प्रहार?
महाराज, यह मेरी नाक नहीं काटी है, यह लंका के महाराज रावण की नाक कटी है।
बस करो सूट न खाओ। चिंता मत करो, मैं लंकेश तुम्हारे सम्मान का बदला लेकर रहूंगा।
लक्ष्मण, हे सीते, हे लक्ष्मण।
लक्ष्मण, लगता है तुम्हारे भ्राताश्री किसी संकट में है। तुम यथाशीघ्र जाओ और जाकर उनकी सहायता करो।
क्षमा कीजिए माते, मैं आपको छोड़कर नहीं जा सकता। मुझे भ्राताश्री ने आपकी रक्षा के लिए यहाँ रख छोड़ा है।
नहीं लक्ष्मण, तुम्हें अपने भ्राताश्री की सहायता के लिए जाना ही होगा।
ठीक है माते, जैसी आपकी आज्ञा। मैं आपके चारों ओर यह रेखा खींचे जा रहा हूँ। आप इससे बाहर मत आइएगा।
योजना अनुसार रावण उस कुटिया में साधु के वेश में पहुंचा।
भिक्षाम दे, भिक्षाम दे, भिक्षाम दे, भिक्षाम दे। देवी, देवी, क्या आप इस बूढ़े ब्राह्मण को भोजन नहीं कराएंगी?
हे साधु महाराज, आप प्रतीक्षा करें, मैं अति शीघ्र आपके लिए कुछ भोजन लेकर आती हूँ।
पश्चात प्रभु श्री राम माता सीता की खोज में निकल पड़े।
सीते, सीते, कहाँ हो? कहाँ हो सीते? सीते, 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 कहाँ हो?
तत्पश्चात ऋष्यमुख पर्वत पर उनकी भेंट हनुमान जी से हुई।
कौशल राज दशरथ पुत्र राम और लक्ष्मण हैं तथा पिता के वचन का पालन करने हेतु वन में आए हैं।
प्रभु श्री राम, मेरे प्रभु, प्रभु श्री राम, प्रभु श्री राम, मेरे प्रभु, प्रभु श्री राम, मेरे प्रभु।
हे वानर राज, उठो, कौन हो तुम?
प्रभु, प्रभु, मैं आपका परम भक्त हनुमान हूँ।
हनुमान, क्या तुमने मेरी भार्या सीता को कहीं देखा है?
नहीं प्रभु, अगर आपकी आज्ञा हो तो मैं माता सीता की खोज खबर लेकर शीघ्र ही आपके समक्ष उपस्थित होता हूँ। संपाति, क्या आपने माता सीता को देखा है?
हनुमान, रावण उनका हरण कर विशालकाय समुद्र पार कर लंका की ओर ले गए हैं।
परंतु जामवंत, हम इस विशालकाय समुद्र को पार करके लंका कैसे जाएंगे?
हे ज्ञान गुण निधान, आप तो महाज्ञानी वानरों के स्वामी और पवन पुत्र हैं। आपके अंदर समुद्र को पार करने की शक्ति समाहित है।
आप अपनी शक्तियों को पहचाने।
आज्ञा पाते ही हनुमान जी माता सीता की खोज में लंका की ओर निकल पड़े।
कौन हो तुम? श्री राम का दूत हनुमान।
हे दूत हनुमान, मेरे स्वामी कुशल पूर्वक तो है, वे मुझे याद तो करते हैं।
माते, विरह में जितना दुख आप सहन कर रही हैं, उससे कई अधिक प्रभु श्री राम सहन कर रहे हैं। मैं आपकी कुशल क्षेम मेरे प्रभु को बताता हूँ, वो शीघ्र ही आपको यहाँ से सकुशल ले जाएंगे।
क्यों हनुमान? हम यह विशालकाय समुद्र पार कैसे करेंगे?
प्रभु, आप श्री राम नाम का पत्थर इस समुद्र में फेंकें, जिसमें नल और नील नामक वानर आपकी सहायता करेंगे।
मस्तकों के झुंड, आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम उभार दो। है प्रचंड बोल मस्तकों के झुंड, आज चंद्र की घड़ी की तुम उभार दो। आन शान या की जान का वो दान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो। प्रचंड बोले मस्तकों के झुंड, आज जंग की घड़ी की तुम गुहार दो। आन बान शान या की जान का उदान, आज एक धनुष के बाण पे उतार दो।
प्रभु श्री राम ने अपने शांति दूत बालीपुत्र अंगद को शांति संदेश लेकर भेजा, परंतु इस प्रस्ताव को ठुकराकर रावण ने श्री राम को युद्ध के लिए ललकारा।
आज मैं वो पराक्रम दिखाऊंगा कि जब तक पृथ्वी रहेगी, इस चराचर जगत में देवता भी उसकी चर्चा करेंगे।
हे मानव, रावण के सामने आए हो, शीश झुका करा।
अरे अधर्मी, शीश तो तेरा झुकना चाहिए।
हे तपस्वी, अभी तक जिन योद्धाओं को तुमने मारा है, मैं उनके समान नहीं। मेरा नाम है रावण। तीनों लोग जिसका यशगान करते हैं।
जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे जीतेगा, कहाँ पे बचेगा। तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा, छिपा तो मिलेगा, मिला तो मारेगा। बच सके तो बच लिया, ये ज़लज़ला है, पूरे जोर पर चला है। किस्मत में जो लड़ा है, कौन रह सका खड़ा है। सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित, रक्त चरित, 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 रक्त चरित। सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित, रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित, रक्त चरित।
निशाचर, तू किस बात का घमंड करता है? तेरे घमंड को चूर करना अत्यंत अनिवार्य हो गया है। ले संभाल मेरे प्रहार को।
ब्रह्मा जी के वरदान से दशानन की नाभि में जो अमृत है, आप सर्वप्रथम इसे सुखा दीजिए। तत्पश्चात ही रावण की मृत्यु संभव है। अतः आप रावण की नाभि में बाण मारिए।
विभीषण, जब तक तू जीवित रहेगा तब तक राक्षस जाति का विनाश ही होता रहेगा।
अपनी भार्या सीता छोटे भाई लक्ष्मण को लेकर वापस अयोध्या नगरी में लौट जाते हैं। तभी से अयोध्या नगरी में दीपावली मनाई जाती है। राम जन्म के हेतु अनेका, परम विचित्र एक ते एका। जब जब होई धर्म की हानि, बाधहि असुर अधम अभिमानी। तब तब प्रभु धरी विविध शरीरा, हरहि कृपा निधि सज्जन पीरा। यानी जब जब धर्म का ह्रास होता है और अभिमानी राक्षस प्रवृत्ति के लोग बढ़ने लगते हैं, तब तब कृपा निधान प्रभु भांति भांति के दिव्य शरीर धारण कर सज्जनों की पीड़ा हरते हैं।
कौन है जो तुम्हारा रास्ता रोकी? किसको मिला है ये अधिकार? उखड़ जाते हैं पर्वत के पांव जब तुम भरते हो हुंकार।
like Ram, Sita, Lakshman and Hanumanji. Jai Shri Ram.
Okay, done.
To conclude the day, allow me to invite Ms. Priyanka Vishnoi, Vice Principal, Senior Secondary, and Mr. Manish Kant, Academic Dean, eTechno, to deliver a vote of thanks to the attendees.
It should be Jai Shri Ram. So a graceful and warm evening to our distinguished principal ma'am, our most valued guests, worthy teachers and the most beloved children. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion.
I, on behalf of Narayana eTechno School, Ghaziabad, and the entire fraternity of the school, first of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to Almighty. By His blessings and grace, we are able to make the event what it was.
I extend a very hearty vote of thanks to our honorable guest of honor for motivation and inspiration. A special mention to our venerable principal ma'am, Miss Yogita Kapil, being the catalyst that inspired us to do our best and stand as a pillar of power.
Thank you, parents.
Thank you so much, ma'am. With deep sense of appreciation, we thank our loving teacher for their untiring efforts. Once again, I would like to say that we all are more grateful to all the present here. We thank you for being with us this evening. It is a great pleasure. Thank you very much.
And least but not the last, I would like to thank my children for performing wonderfully today as the Black Cats and the support system. So these children are our support system. Yes, Rachita, Pratyush, Pranav and
complete Black Cats team.
Abhay Tyagi, come here. Mayank Tyagi. So all these children are our support system and they have worked immensely for this day. So thank you everybody. Jai Shri Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.
You all are requested to be seated for a while so that the children change and then the dispersal will be done from the respective
Please
classes.
sit for 5 minutes so that they can change and come.
ठीक है